cause my time is free. I can spend it on you, you can spend it on me. I could say you'll be blown away by the change you see me. And I feel alright, dance all night, put a little flavor in my life. I put the good stuff in, I put the good stuff in, yeah, yeah.
Because the BCM is so cool, you get to meet so many people in such little time. It's a really good way to start off your school year, and you won't regret your time spent here.
Because we're amazing and we're awesome friends, and we share the good news. So come on now.
It's a great way to get plugged in with other believers and grow together with other believers.
Because you can make amazing friendships here as well as growing in your relationship with God.
It's kind of cool. We have like a base to go out of and get to know everyone and make a difference on our campus, I hope.
Community, all the people. Just have friends here. It's a great community.
Personally, it's where I have grown even closer to the Lord this past year. My freshman year, I'm so much different than I was when I started. So now that I'm a sophomore, I'm just super pumped to serve the Lord, and it's where I met all my best friends and my roommates, and it's awesome to just get plugged in.
Best version of me, float like a butterfly, sting like a bee.